औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। In present page, we are living, we are maintaining social relationship. In our living circle, we maintain different relationships such as parents, brothers, sisters, and grandparents. When we pay due respect to them, we receive their good wishes and guidance as well. We should always be sincere to our relationship, particularly to our grandparents. Reason being that they are much older and vast experience of life. It's true that our grandparents has vast experience of life. In view of their practical experience, they provide very useful advice through which you can be benefited extremely. Here we means that when we respect our elders, when we obey our elders, when we follow the instructions of our elders, we can be benefit extremely. Our country has people with different moral values, religion and cultural background, but irrespective of all the factors, we should respect everyone. By this saying, our school Metropolitan Foundation also motivating our little shining stars of pre-primary section to respect our elders, because this period of learning, its very early time of learning, is very effective and everlasting.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Subra. Today's topic is respect your elders. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aishwarya. Most good relationships are built on mutual trust and respect. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Saindar. Respect your elders and parents. Assalamu alaikum. My name is